Hey YouTube, it's Kharyzma. I just wanted to show you my hairstyle. I have long box braids that I put into a ponytail. Yes, I did it myself. I have a show tomorrow. I'll be in two pieces, Debbie Wilson and Q Pittman's piece at the BDC Showcase. And I wanted to do something different. Today's May 19th, the day after my birthday. So I wanted to, just have something different. And I should have uploaded my birthday video. Matter of fact, maybe I'll attach this one to the birthday video. Yeah, that's what I'll do. So you'll probably see this in the same video as my birthday video since it's still my birthday week technically. But yeah, this is the style. And I am loving it. It took me 5 hours to do. I used to braid hair back in the day. Like I told you guys before, everybody used to come to me to do their hair because they loved how I braided. I'm not a fast braider, but I'm a braider who braids really neat, and I always take my time. So at one point I was just telling people not to come anymore because I basically would just do my hair for me. And other people liked what they saw on me and like, you did that for yourself, so can you do it for me? And so I would do it, but then it just became overwhelming. So it's been a good, I would say, over 10 years since I've done braids with extension hair. And this is the Kanekalon hair. Some people say Kanekalon. I really don't like that pronunciation. I'm always used to saying Kanekalon. So that's what I used. And the ends are curled. I just dipped them in the hot water using flexi rods. For any of you guys who know about braids, I know about braids, weaves, all of that stuff. I used to mostly do braids, and then before I started my hair journey, I did weave for about, I think, a year and a half, maybe 2 years. And that was because my hair had fell out due to a bad perm. And I wore the weaves for 2 years. I wasn't really a weave person like that, but I did it because my hair fell out. Then I got tired of it and I was like, when am I gonna show my real hair? Then I vowed never to wear fake hair again. If you guys who've been following me for a long time see my no more fake hair, I'm a Shima girl, and I'm referring to Shima, who's a hair guru on YouTube. She has relaxed hair, but she's one of the first people that I've learned from, since I started my hair journey on YouTube in 2009. She taught me a lot about healthy hair techniques for relaxed and natural hair, even though she's relaxed. But I just wanted to show you my style. Normally I do them smaller, but because I did it for the purpose of the show and not really trying to leave this in long, I did it really spacey in the back. I don't know if you can tell, but I purposely did it like that. Like normally when I used to do my braids, I'll part them the right way, that's evenly spaced and not too big or too small, whatever, so it could look nice. But I didn't want a lot of braids on my head, and this was 6 packs. And I used the whole extension because I wanted them long. And you can see it's still kind of spacey in the front. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling them again. So I don't know, I'm not gonna say I'm never gonna put braids back in again. I'm kind of liking them. And it was weird today to dance with braids because it definitely adds weight to your hair. My dance teacher was trying to tell me afterwards, she's like, don't ever get a head full of braids before a show. Like, you should be practicing with whatever hair you're gonna wear for the show, maybe the week of. Don't ever do it the day before and then come, because yeah, she's right. Like, you may not be able to, dance with all that hair going back. It's definitely a change, and that's all part of the rehearsal process. So yeah guys, I am loving it. And I use 2 colors. I think I'll put it in the description because I don't remember, but I know 33 is one color. That would be the darker one. This one's 33, and this one I think is either a 30 or a 9. I'll put it in the description. And if you guys would like a tutorial on it, just let me know. If I ever do it again, then I will definitely show you guys how I did it. Very simple. I've been braiding since I was like 8 years old, and with extensions since I was like 15. It's really, hair and stuff like that is very easy and natural for me. So yeah, there it is. I put it up in a ponytail and then I took some of the strands and wrapped around. But that's my hair, guys. I am loving it. I didn't do any baby hair. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow for the show. I'll be vlogging tomorrow. I'm in 2 pieces, so I'll definitely show you video footage that will be up soon. So thank you guys for watching. Happy birthday to me. Bye bye.